From WRL News and the Capital Broadcasting Podcast Network, this is your Coronavirus News Brief for Friday, March 19th. I'm Ken Smith. It's been a little over a month since the first COVID-19 variant was identified in North Carolina. The strain was first detected in South Africa. The state health department reported at the time the adult had not recently traveled. This week, a leading health policy expert from Duke University talked about the threat posed by COVID-19 variants. The most prevalent variant is the one first detected in the United Kingdom. Health experts say other variants have been identified in this country, particularly in Texas and California. Dr. Mark McClellan is a Duke University health policy expert and former FDA commissioner. He's concerned when it comes to detecting COVID-19 variants, the level of testing is plateauing as more vaccines are available.
I would like to see the testing numbers not just go down in proportion to the number of cases. I'd actually like to see them go up until we're actually sure we are containing the virus as we try to reopen schools, as we try to get back to work, as we try to get back to our lives. And that will also help us with detecting the variants earlier.
That being said, Dr. McClellan says these variants can be managed by determining how effective vaccines are against these variants. That system here in North Carolina remains a work in progress, but he says it's important that we all continue to practice safety protocols. Dr. McClellan also made the point the state needs to accelerate the vaccination process. He says the more people who are vaccinated, the less likely these variants could emerge. Next week, Cape Fear Valley Health will open vaccinations to Group 5, the final group of the population. All adults 16 and over will be able to schedule an appointment. Now, it's important to note only the Pfizer vaccine is approved for those 16 and older. The Moderna and Johnson vaccines are approved for those 18 and older. Appointments can be made online at capefairvalley.com. You can also find more specifics for vaccines in your community right now on WRL.com. Hey, thanks for listening, and a little plug here. You can listen to complete WRL newscasts in podcast form. Subscribe to WRL's News Daily wherever you listen to podcasts. We post 5 newscasts each weekday and 2 on weekends. You'll get all the news, weather, and sports you would get on television, but in audio form. Just search WRL News Daily. For the Coronavirus News Brief, I'm Ken Smith.